What's up? Welcome back. Today we're going to insulate and sheathe this wall. But before we do that, step one, we need to take these light switches and combine them, make them one. After we do that, we've got to clean up the giant mess we have going on this wall, move everything so that we have room to work, and then we can finally work on insulation. Got to tidy up a little bit of these wires and everything as well. It's going to take a little bit of work before we can just slap the insulation in like we did on the other walls. Trying to figure out exactly where I want to start, but there's no time like now to start, so I'll figure out where I'm going. I'm going to set you up on a time lapse as I figure out which way I'm running with this, and we're going to get this done together. See you in a bit. Briefly explain what we got going on here. So we've got the two switches for the lighting fixtures inside the garage here. We've got a switch for the lighting fixture outside of the garage. But then where they enter gets all funky up here. We want to remove all of the wiring, consolidate it into one box, and have one feed for all of it, and negate all of this mess going on up here. So when we sheathe the wall, there's way less wires in our way. In order to do that, we need to completely get rid of this, pull the wires out from where they come from, refeed them where they need to go, and then put them in the box and wire the box. That's what we're going to do now. I'm trying to figure out what's going on in this junction box, because what was going on down in the light switch box made 0 sense too. I don't exactly know what they got going on here. It's a giant mess. I think what I'm going to have to do is remove all of the wiring, unwire nut it all, figure out exactly what's going where, and then I can put it back together how it's supposed to be wired, and then I can go back to figuring out my junction box down at the light switch. I was hoping for a nice, easy, just switch everything over, but like everything in this garage, it's a giant can of worms. All right, I finally got all this wiring tucked up here. I couldn't find a good spot to put you, so I just went ahead and did it. It's pretty boring anyways, just sitting here trying to figure out what goes where and how to hook it up and why they did what they did. Doesn't matter. It's all hooked up now. Now we're going to go down here to the switch panel, and hopefully we get to pop this breaker in and we have lights again. Here we go. Let's see. Can't do it with one hand. Let me see if I can't set you down right here. Oh, I got two hands. Let's see. Push that guy there. Really like that though. Okay. Nothing happened. That's good. Good news. Good news. Lights. And lights. Nice. That's the outside light, so it should be on, I hope. All right. Now I just got to put all of that back together up there. And then we can finally start insulation. Oh my goodness, that took way longer than I wanted it to. Ugh. It's I don't even know. It's been 3 hours just to get this one light switch fixture switched over, get all the wires ran so where they need to be. Man, if you'd told me it would take that long, I'd have called you crazy. All right, I suppose I don't know what I'm doing. I'm making it up as I go at this point. So whatever you see next is what you see. So here we go. That took about twice as long as I was expecting it to, and about twice the amount of effort I thought it was going to as well. I'm realizing now, just as I turn this on, that I've not done above the door. So that'll have to happen another day. I'm over it. Got this wall insulated. Got the wiring switched over. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to get plywood and everything a different day. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to drop a like. If you got anything for me, leave a comment. And as always, please subscribe. It helps the channel a ton. And I'll see you in the next one.